some discuss very important one, that is called what is the content you are posting on your website to promote any kind of news. Automatic post on your Facebook to Twitter. Automatic post for Facebook to Twitter. Here they accept by Facebook profile and Facebook page. Facebook page to and Twitter. So the connection will be, that is a simple URL is called using for facebook.com/Twitter. Here two conditions will be always remember. What are the profile you can post, automatically you can go for Twitter. Second will be you can connect by n number of Facebook page, connect by one Twitter account. So in your Facebook we have the 10 Facebook pages are there. In 10 Facebook page we connect by one Twitter. And what are the posting in 10 pages is it displayed by only for Twitter wall. But here only his condition is called link will be accept. Only link will be accept, but is not accepting for any kind of photos and any kind of videos. Any kind of photos and any kind of videos. That is URL is called facebook.com/Twitter. Suppose you are regular on content you are posting on your Facebook wall, profile wall. They automatically display on the Twitter. So first one, your profile link to Twitter, or else the page link to Twitter. So I'm linking to Twitter here. Link to Twitter. Authorize application. Authorize application. Now you can see your profile is now linked with the Twitter. Which one? Link with your Twitter. So first open YouTube. So I'll posting by Facebook page. I can show by Twitter wall also. I'm going to first select by Twitter wall. So how many posts we have in a Twitter wall? First you can check it in Twitter wall. Check it by your Facebook page also. So how many posts will be there? 5694. What do you do? This will be very important. What are the posts you done? They are automatically done by where? Facebook page to Twitter wall. So in this I'm selecting here. So anyone you can select here. Just copy here. Now click for share. Where I'm share to here? Only for Facebook. I'm doing only for YouTube too. I'll done by Facebook. Automatic post for where? Twitter wall. Select page. Now click for post on Facebook. Now I'm not checking for Facebook. I'm checking right into Twitter. How many postings? 569. Go into tweets. So they will be post on your option here. So they are uploading for in your post option. See this. When it is posting for 14 seconds. 5694. I will go for 5695. So what are the content you are posting on this? On my Facebook page, automatic display by your Twitter wall. So we'll check by your Facebook page also. One is Facebook page, second will be your Twitter wall. But here the main syntax is called what are the your image upload or video upload, they not display by the Twitter wall. They not display by the Twitter wall. Only they support by the YouTube links or any YouTube links or any video market link or any website links will be support. Any video market links, any blogger link, any WordPress links, or if you promoting for any website links, they will be support. See this. Is it clear? This is a very important option on your particular option is called Facebook page to Twitter migration. What are the posts you've done? Automatic post for Facebook page and a Twitter wall. So one login to post for two social networks. One is Facebook page and a Twitter. So how many pages you are designed? Design the total pages, integrate with the one Twitter. An interview question. When integrate Facebook to Twitter, how many pages you integrate on Twitter account? There is no limit for to integrate Facebook page to Twitter account. How many pages you have to integrate by one Twitter account? And suddenly asking one question. How many Facebook page, how many Twitter account will be connect? One Facebook page, only one Twitter account. So I'm connecting for Facebook page 1, they connect by Twitter 1. Now I'm logging for Twitter 2. Can I connect same page in Twitter 2? We can't. One page will connect only for one Twitter account. Multiple login Twitters, they can't accept. This is a very important. Multiple page connect by Twitter for one Twitter will connect by page. We can't connect the another Twitter account. Please note down.